Ain't no intro. It's actually like a really nice day out. Like the sun is out, it looks good, but it's really cold. My hands are like, you sit in the water, like the bath water too long, hands get all wrinkly. It's cold out here. I'm gonna go inside and warm up for a little bit. I mounted shift cables. Just gotta bolt down the battery tray. We put the oil catch can back on. Everything else here is snapped up, coolant, and an electrical. Oh my God, it's cold. I think I'm just gonna get warm for a little bit and then come back out here and pop the front end back on. I still have my my axle CV joint bolts to do. Right, these are the ones for the front subframe, and those are just lug nuts. I'm gonna switch them for the tamper-proof, but there's no such thing. People want your wheels, they're gonna steal them. So I'm gonna switch them out anyway. And then I guess we'll do the front end and come back out. And we just have exhaust, coilovers, and rims and tires. So we're gonna get this dusty old shocks out and put the new fresh fire on here. It is really freaking cold. I don't even understand it because it looks really nice outside, but it's cold. So I'm gonna go inside and eat something real quick as usual, and come back out here. See that short shifter in there? Got a lot done in just a couple of days. So, ain't no outro. I'll be back. Fresh new set of coilovers. A mangled ass box that I left in the rain for too long. But looks like we got the adjustable sway bar and links. Bonerville. Alright, front end is on. I got 2 AC lines to do. Headlights snapped up. Coolant's gotta be just snapped up. Upper and lower. I got this one lined up, but it just requires a lot of pressure sometimes. I grease it with Vaseline. It always makes it work a little bit easier. I'm gonna throw a little bit more on there. Intake's on and it's plugged up. Oil catch can is on and it's plugged up. And so, like I was saying, just AC lines. I got that one to do, and then there's another one right there. Right, but this one's kind of annoying to get to. That one's easier. Then after that, we are just at the charge pipes, which are right there. There's only 2 to deal with. And then we on to this exhaust, baby. And then, I don't know, it's just, the list keeps getting smaller and smaller. So, just gonna stick to it. Ain't no outro. I'll see you in the next one. I'm hungry.